preparing ethers by Williamson synthesis, and we have 1-propoxypropane. Now what is propoxypropane? 1, 2, 3 carbon. So this is propoxy and this is main chain. So this is 1, 2, 3. So 1-propoxypropane has to be prepared. How do I do that? Well, it looks like that this is the bond I'm supposed to make. How would I do that? 1, 2, 3. I will take this sodium propoxide and I will make it react with 1-chloropropane. Williamson synthesis. Dry ether is the solvent. I'll get this. That's it. Ethoxybenzene. Now, ethoxybenzene looks like this. Please note, Williamson synthesis is not possible with halogen attached to benzene ring. So what we should do is, we should have oxygen already attached here. Sodium phenoxide, right? And when this attached, this reacts with ethyl chloride, then I think we will have what we desire, that is, see, SN2 attack like this, and that would be the product. This is what we need. Sodium phenoxide and chlorobenzene. How do I get sodium phenoxide? If you are still confused about that, that's very simple, my dear. You take phenol, you add NaOH, you get a salt, sodium phenoxide, that's it. So phenol and ethyl chloride are the substrates, you need the reagents you need, and with NaOH. You react them and you get this. 2-methoxy, 2-methyl propane. Now 2-methoxy, 2-methyl propane. Well, if you see, there are two ways in which you could imagine. See, oxygen-carbon bond you have to make. Now, one imagination could have been, I'm just drawing the imagination bubble, and the other imagination could have been these. And you have to tell me which one looks good to you. Well, it could have been that this is a new bond. So I have CH3O minus and I have tertiary butyl chloride. This is one imagination. I have this and this is separate. This is a new bond which I'm going to establish. Does it look good? No. Why? Unfortunately, this is tertiary alkyl halide, and in case of tertiary, this reaction fails to occur. It is a bad idea. It's a bad idea. No. Other possibilities, say this is a newly formed bond. So I have CH3Cl and I have tertiary butoxide ion, and yes, this can react to give me my product. Very much. This is correct. So sodium tertiary butoxide with methyl chloride would give you 2-methoxypropane. 1-methoxyethane. This is ethane, right? This is 1-methoxy. I think it's as simple as it gets. You have CH3ONA reacting with CH3, CH2Cl. Can I get that? Yeah. In this case, you are making a new bond, and that bond is this one. This is the new bond you're making. Because as there is an attack here, huge, you find that is a new bond which is done. Could I have made this as a new bond? You also have one more possibility in case you wish. Sorry. Or you have CH3Cl plus CH3, CH2ONA. Is this also a possibility? This is also a possibility. You'll get still this, which is a good one. Both are good. You can take any one. This I feel is slightly better, but both are very, very happy ways. You could do it any way you like.